What's up, guys? Reporting to you live from Tampa, Florida area. It is almost 11 o'clock on, what's today, Thursday? So we had a couple interesting days with Hurricane Ian. It's actually still here. I hope you guys can hear me. The hurricane was projected to go right up the coastline and not make landfall until it got up there by the panhandle of Florida. But it kept shifting and shifting until it was like directly going to hit Tampa. And then it shifted a little more till it went right under Tampa. So we really didn't get affected much. We didn't get much rain here. The most we got was a lot of wind. There is a lot of trees down in my area. Even in my neighborhood, there's like a big tree that was blocking the whole street. We will be going around our neighborhood soon and helping pick up and, you know, like clean up all the debris in the street. It's actually a little bit worse than what I was thinking I would wake up to. Also, I woke up to 69 degrees and yeah, I needed my jacket. It was freezing. So I want to talk a little bit about the gig apps. We were projected to start feeling the hurricane winds Tuesday night, and DoorDash made an announcement that at 9 o'clock p.m. Tuesday night they will be shutting off the app completely, which is smart. I seen Uber Eats didn't shut it off until sometime Wednesday. They started by saying, don't come out if you don't feel safe to drive. And right after that is when I started to get the severe hurricane warnings to my phone. And even now, today, when I go on DoorDash, it is still shut off. It's Thursday morning, like I said. It's still shut off until sometime Friday, they said. So if I go on the app, I cannot even schedule until next Tuesday. I cannot schedule at all. So us Florida Dashers are just like waiting around until we're able to schedule our shift for the upcoming week. We're just, you know, waiting around. And I thought that was interesting because Amazon Flex did not do any of that. They said if you don't feel comfortable driving in these conditions, you can cancel your block easily with even if it's like last minute, or if you're out and you don't feel comfortable, to just contact support. I do want to say thank you to everyone who has been messaging me on Instagram or in the posts that I've been putting on YouTube, trying to keep everyone informed, you know, updated about what's going on and why I've been missing. I missed one upload, so not too bad, but we are doing good though. We have a generator that we haven't used yet, and we had it all prepared to go. We were gonna, you know, we have a portable AC that we were prepared. We are prepared. And our electric didn't go off at all, but all the neighborhoods around us, completely no electric as like sometime yesterday afternoon. So I'm fortunate of that. The hurricane did make landfall like the Fort Myers area, and it looks really rough with water like halfway up people's houses and in their houses. And like us Floridians, we prepare for the worst, and we're not really that worried because we've been through so many hurricanes. But when something that bad happens to where your whole house is just flooded and you see furniture going down your street, like, nobody's really prepared for that amount of damage. Just wanted to make a update video on how this hurricane has affected my area and what the gig apps are doing about it, which I find very interesting. They are not, none of them are doing the same thing. They're all, you know, doing their own thing, but I'm pretty impressed with DoorDash just shutting down the apps completely when the storm, well, it started getting bad here about 5 p.m., but they announced at like 1 or 2 that the apps will be completely dead, like completely turned off at 9 p.m. So that was pretty impressive, DoorDash. Pretty impressive. And I don't even think the restaurants will be open, like probably today, maybe starting tomorrow they'll start to open. So even then, when we are able to start delivering on DoorDash, I think you'll be getting orders to restaurants that aren't open yet, which would suck because then you know you have to call support, and most of the time drivers aren't going to call support. They're just going to unassign the order, and you know how that is. I don't think there was anything else to update on. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I am most active. If anything ever going down, that is the first place I post on my Insta stories. There's a lot of stories currently on there right now, and like behind the scenes YouTube videos and orders, and I always post on there, so definitely follow me. I'll leave the link below. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.